Hi, my name is Richard O'Sullivan and I'd like to give you a short video presentation about our new SOUNDCAM 2.0, which has actually now been upgraded to receive ultrasonic microphone capability. They record at normal hearing frequencies as well, but they now go right up to 100 kilohertz, and that makes the SOUNDCAM even more powerful for looking for leaking in seals or architecture or vehicles that you're building on the production line, or compressed air lines, or any kind of gases or stuff like that where you want to find out where the leaks are quick and fix them. So the SOUNDCAM has become much more powerful, much better at doing it than it was already, which was pretty good already. And I'm going to show you with the help of here this little plastic box, a standard plastic box with a lid on the top, and inside here is an omnidirectional ultrasound sound source with speakers all over the place, designed to make lots of noise in there and hopefully show up the leaks to the outside world. So I'm going to turn that on and I'm going to show you what the SOUNDCAM can do. So you can see the lid is now being slightly removed, or moved sideways rather. The box is tipped over in our direction. I'm sliding the lid slightly off to make small gaps at the bottom or the side or the top, and you'll see in a minute that the handle actually goes through two holes in the lid. So when it's closed, like now, you'll see the two holes. The ultrasonic sound pulses actually, and it's coming out through those two holes, and if I squeeze the lid properly closed I can seal it off at the top and you just see the two holes. Otherwise you see a sort of leak at the top right corner. So this is close up of the same thing. You can see the lid pulsing, or the sound pulsing through the gaps in the handle. And now I'm just going to move it about again. You can get a closer view of what's happening in the top. I've got a gap now, a small gap. The lid's actually curved, and the edges of the lid go over the edges of the box, so the sound's actually exiting in a direction away from the SOUNDCAM. So it's actually picking up sound that's not even really coming in our direction properly. So shows quite how sensitive it is, and it's a very loud sound source now with the lid on, but there's a tiny gap there in the corner. I'll squeeze that shut and you see it just pulsating through the handle holes that are permanently there. So you can see that a SOUNDCAM Ultra and an ultrasound source is the right combination for finding leaks in any cabs or any window seals or any other places where you're looking for important leaks to check your production processes, or to check your vacuum forming tools, or all kinds of places where air leaks or vacuum leaks or gaseous leaks or the tiniest leaks which a SOUNDCAM with ultrasonic microphones will pick up.